Is Microsoft Defender turned off on your Windows PC? Turning it back on is usually straightforward. In this guide, I'll show you how to check your antivirus status and enable the main Microsoft Defender protections in Windows Security. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the security dashboard. Next, select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Current Threats, check whether Windows reports that your antivirus protection is active or needs attention. Now scroll to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and select Manage Settings. This page contains the main Microsoft Defender protection controls. Find Real-Time Protection and turn the switch on if it's disabled. Real-time protection helps monitor files and activity for potential threats as you use your computer. So yeah, this is one of the most important settings to check. Next, check Cloud-Delivered Protection and make sure it's enabled. This allows Microsoft Defender to use cloud-based information to help identify newer and emerging threats. Then check Automatic Sample Submission. When enabled, Windows can send suspicious samples to Microsoft for analysis. Leave this option enabled if you're comfortable with Microsoft's security protection features. After enabling the protections, go back to the Virus and Threat Protection page and look for protection updates. Select Check for updates to make sure Microsoft Defender has current security intelligence. If the Defender options are unavailable or keep turning off, check whether another antivirus program is installed. Windows may disable Microsoft Defender's active antivirus protection when another compatible security product is providing protection. Finally, return to the Windows Security home page and check the status indicators. If there are no recommended actions and your virus protection shows as active, Microsoft Defender is ready to protect your PC. And that's how to turn on Microsoft Defender in Windows Security. Keep real-time protection enabled, install security updates, and avoid running multiple antivirus products unnecessarily. These simple checks help keep your Windows PC protected.